Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just taking you guys along with me for just a simple spring day in the life. Olin's our friend. He's not here.
Olin.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. As you guys can tell, I've already gotten ready for the day. I've already had my coffee.
Hi,
But
hi, Olin.
you're silly. Anyways, I found a new recipe for a banana nut muffin, or no, chocolate chip banana muffins recipe on Pinterest, and it's pretty like low sugar. There's actually no like actual processed sugar in it. It's all honey, and there's high protein too. So there's like plain Greek yogurt and stuff like that. So really simple to make. But I have some overripe bananas.
Mama.
What?
Mama.
I have some overripe bananas, so we're gonna do that. As you can tell, this intro is all over the place, and this is typically why I only film when these little kids are gone. Right? Right? You're silly. Anyways, we're gonna make some muffins, hang out today, and we'll just see where the day takes us. Okay, so I have my Pinterest pulled up here. If you follow me on Pinterest, I just share things like for my own liking. Sometimes I'll share things from my house, but typically not. I just share like inspiration that I find. So anyway, go to recipes, and then under, I think I saved it under breakfast, yep. And it's this healthy banana chocolate chip muffin. They are so good. So like I said, we've already made them once before, and they were delicious, and they were gone in no time. So it's extremely basic ingredients. Okay, so it says whole wheat pastry flour. I just use regular flour. That's what I had. Baking soda, salt, 3 ripe bananas, honey, vanilla, coconut oil or olive oil. I used olive oil when I made them last time because that's what I had on hand. An egg, plain non-fat Greek yogurt, almond milk, and chocolate chips. Super simple. Preheat the oven to 350. Mix your dry ingredients, combine your wet ingredients. Do you hear the wind? This kitchen window is open and it keeps catching the rooftop of our pergola outside, but I love the breeze. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and get to making these. Like I had mentioned, you go ahead and set your oven to 350. These are extremely easy to make. All I did was combine the flour, baking soda, and salt, whisk that together, set it aside, and then we added in all the rest of the ingredients, which would have been the bananas, honey, yogurt, eggs, vanilla, the chocolate chips. Just go ahead, blend that up, and then add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. I have this recipe linked down below. It was from Pinterest, so I'll have that link there. That way you guys could check it out if you're interested. Highly recommend it though. Like I said, it was super good. And as you can see, the boys loved helping me. I think it's so sweet just watching them want to mix everything together and just truly get their hands in there and test it out. So it's just a lot of fun. Definitely a learning experience for them. And they just really enjoy it. So they love using my hand mixer here. I always let them take turns and go back and forth, which I think is just super cute. At this point in the day, Theo had went down for a nap, and I went ahead and put the muffins in the oven. And now it's time for Barrett and I to do some of his preschool work. So he is 4 years old, and a couple times a week I try to take the time to sit here with him, and we will focus on how to spell his name. We get him writing his name. He's doing so well with that. And just focusing on letter recognition. We'll do fun puzzles, little flashcards, different things like that, just to get him just motivated and going on learning. show you guys some of the things we're working on. I've had these flashcards forever now. I had these before Jack started school, so several years at this point. But I found these at the Target dollar spot. I'm sure you can find things like this at Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, anything like that. But they were $1 whenever I bought them in the dollar spot. So this is just colors and shapes. Then I also have numbers. And then we have this fun little puzzle. This is a Melissa and Doug puzzle we've had forever too. But it's just the letters, and then it has like pictures of things that start with those letters. So A for alligator, B for blocks, C for carrot, things like that. So Barrett is 4, and he has been practicing. What have you been practicing? Spelling your name.
B-A-R-R-E-T-T.
Good job. He's been spelling his name, and then we've just been doing number recognition. Like I said, he knows his colors, but shape recognition with some shapes, and he's been creating little things himself. So anyway, and then I have flashcards over there that you guys saw earlier that have like how his name's spelled out and stuff. So been doing that, and I have my notebook here because he has been practicing spelling his name, which he's done a fantastic job. So yeah, so we are actually going to start like official like homeschool, like preschool with him in the fall, like actually do like a little curriculum. I'm just gonna like print off some sheets and stuff, but for now we're just focusing on things like this. Like I said, he's 4 years old, so we're not doing anything crazy, just pretty basic things, but he really enjoys it. And then I think we're gonna do a little Easter craft today with some stickers. What do you think?
Today?
Yeah, does that sound fun?
Right now?
Here in a little bit. All right, let's finish up your stuff. Also wanted to say we have been doing this in the time frame that those muffins are baking. Theo's down for a nap, so the muffins had like 22 minutes. This is something that we can do in under 30 minutes. But we like doing it, don't we?
Yeah.
We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun doing this together. We don't do it every day, but I am wanting to start doing it.
Ourselves.
Yes. I am wanting to start doing it daily, or at least like 3 to 4 times a week starting in the fall. Like I said, I'll be doing more of like a curriculum with like sheets and stuff, but again, very basic. Should take no longer than 30 minutes for him, and we're enjoying it. We're having a good time, aren't we?
Yeah.
At this point of the day, since I know I still had a little bit of time left before Theo woke up from his nap, I wanted to take advantage and just do a little bit of like a power cleaning session. Nothing crazy. Basically, as you guys can tell, emptying my dishwasher, I'll fill it back up, hand wash any dishes that won't fit in there, kind of tidy up around the house. I feel like doing this midday just gets me more motivated and gives me some more energy for completing the rest of the day. When I filmed this video, it was a Wednesday, and Wednesdays are typically our long days because we do have our kids' church program on Wednesday evenings, and we don't get home till fairly late in the night. So anyway, I just like to keep on top of these things daily, but specifically on Wednesdays because it just makes things a little bit smoother in the evening.
before I finish up today's video, I want to show you guys a glimpse of some of the clothing things that I picked up and also some spring florals like I told you guys. Okay, anyways, Barrett's feet are going to be in this clip. Can you say hi?
Hi.
I'm trying to hurry real quick because Theo just woke up. But I want to show you guys, I did pick up this wreath from Amazon. It came in a 2-pack for $35.99. So I'm going to be hanging those outside, and I will have those linked to my Amazon storefront down below. And I do a lot of like white flowers. I really want to try to use some different colors, but honestly, I don't want to buy a ton of new ones this year. So I'm sticking with what I got. I have no clue what kind these are, but they are beautiful. And I thrifted these several years ago. They also came with this bundle as well that I thrifted. And I have multiple stems in each of these, but they're super pretty. I think white is just a really classic look. Goes with any style. So I'm really looking forward to breaking those out. And then I don't know if Walmart still has these or not. These are cherry blossom stems. I got them from Walmart again several years ago. They were like $5 a stem and they are very large, and I do have it bent as well. So planning on using those. But as far as the clothing goes, I am someone that likes to be very casual but put together and just like a relaxed look. Cheese. And I've been wanting to find some joggers. So yesterday I was at Sam's Club and I found some super nice joggers. These are very soft, very stretchy, like a super good stretch to them. They are cuffed at the ankle, which I prefer because they look a little more flattering, kind of give you more shape, you know. And I did get a size large in these, but they were only like $12.50. So I got them in this green color, and then I'm actually wearing the black ones today. They have pockets, they're super good. So if I can link these down below, I will. They are the Sam's brand, the members mark, but they also had navy and like a taupe color. So anyway, wanted to point those out. And then if you're looking for just a really cute spring top, I think this one is adorable. Anyway, I got this one from Amazon. It's super cute. I love the sleeves. It's kind of like a gauzy material, which I love. It does tie here. It has a little collar, and it's just really cute and feminine. So I wanted some tops like that that I can wear to church or wear out if I wanted to. But anyway, I've also been loving these oversized tees, again from Amazon. You can get them for like under $10. They kind of go on sale like sporadically, like different colors, but even when they're not on sale, I think they're like 12 bucks. So anyway, but that's what I will be living in this spring. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today. We are going to be doing some more crafts and things, aren't we? Right now, we're going to be peeling stickers. There you go. And I will see you guys in my next video. I did want to mention something that I did not say earlier. I am going to be back on a filming routine, which means I'm going to be back on a posting schedule. So before Christmas, I was posting every Monday and Thursday. We're going to get back to that, which I am so excited about. So let me know down in the comments if you prefer to watch videos in the morning, in the afternoon. I'm still trying to play around with when I want my videos to go live. Ideally, I would like for them to be the same time every Monday and Thursday. So we shall see how that plays out, but let me your thoughts, leave them down below in the comments. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.